Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize a credit freeze removal with TransUnion step by step clearly. To authorize a credit freeze removal with TransUnion, begin by visiting the TransUnion website. Locate the credit freeze section on the homepage. Click on the link that says Manage Credit Freeze. If you don't have an account, you will need to create one. Follow the prompts to set up your account using your personal information. After logging in, find the option that allows you to unfreeze your credit. Select this option to proceed with the removal process. You will be asked to verify your identity. Have your PIN or password handy, as you will need it to complete the verification. Enter the requested information in the designated fields. Once your identity is verified, you will see the option to temporarily or permanently lift the freeze. Choose the option that best suits your needs. Review the details of your request carefully. Confirm the freeze removal to finalize the process. You will receive a confirmation notification via email or website alert. Keep this confirmation for your records. Your credit report will be accessible once the freeze is lifted. Remember, it may take a few minutes for the change to take effect. Check your TransUnion account if you need to verify the status of your credit freeze. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.